this is Doug Van. Right now I want to show you how to install themes and modules in your web-enabled account. When we left off in our last video, we had no projects in our folder, and so I'm going to use my account here, which has plenty of projects. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to head over to the Hackfest project, and that is actually the website for DrupalCampIndy.org, which you can see right here through the web accessible address. There's a lot to do here, a lot to talk about, a lot to see, but what I really want to focus on is the Drush over here. What is Drush? Drush is a portmanteau of two words, Drupal and SSH. What is SSH? SSH is Secure Shell. What is Secure Shell? Secure Shell is how we use the command line in Linux to make changes to our server environment and our files. But you're not going to have to do that because the web-enabled dashboard has an overlay on top of all that cool stuff that lets you do this with a GUI. Example. Right now this is Drupal core. This is the information about our Drupal core on our website, in this case DrupalCampIndy.org. It is up to date at 619 and everything's fine, so we're going to ignore this page. We're going to head over to modules. This is going to be a list of all the modules on the site. Now yes, I could do this with my admin password on the DrupalCampIndy.org site, but there are some really cool things we can do in here that we can't do from Drupal 6. For instance, download projects. I know that the demo module is very cool and it is not currently on our site. I'm going to add the demo module. I'm going to save changes. And here's the confirmation page saying the project demo 6x14 has been downloaded to the proper directory. Now it has been downloaded, but it has not been enabled. And again, I can do that from the admin panel on the website itself, but I will show you how to do that. I'll do a find for the word demo, and it appears down here under the package of development. I will go from not installed to choose enabled and jump to the top of my screen and hit the same save button I hit earlier. I have now installed and enabled the demo module on my site without using FTP or command line Linux or any other technology, just using the dashboard provided by WebEnabled. And here's my confirmation page saying demo was enabled successfully. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at themes. It's the exact same interface as you would expect. So it tells us all the themes we currently have available to us, which ones default, which ones are enabled, etc. Let's go ahead and grab a new one called Fusion. If you haven't used Fusion, you should. An awesome theme from Top Notch Themes. Save changes. And the same thing is happening. It is using the Drush, the Drupal plus SSH, to go out and grab that file from the repository at drupal.org/project/fusion. And here's our confirmation saying that the Fusion 6x10 has been downloaded to the proper directory. And in our list, there's Fusion and Fusion and Fusion. It's actually a suite of themes, as you can see. So that is how you download and install themes and modules from the contrib library at drupal.org without using FTP or SSH and simply using your web-enabled dashboard. Our next video will show you how to use the command line to do other things as well. Thank you.